What is California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA? Have you ever wondered how your personal information is handled by companies? The California Consumer Privacy Act, often referred to as CCPA, is a law that aims to give California residents more control over their personal data. This law was enacted in 2018 and officially went into effect on January 1, 2020. It was a significant step in the realm of online privacy regulations, setting a standard for how businesses should manage consumer data. One of the key features of the CCPA is the right to know. This means that consumers can ask businesses what personal information they collect, how it is used, and who it is shared with. This transparency is essential in today's digital world, where data is a valuable asset. Another important right provided by the CCPA is the right to delete. Consumers can request that businesses remove their personal information from their records. However, there are some exceptions to this right, such as when the information is needed for legal purposes. The CCPA also grants consumers the right to opt out. This allows individuals to refuse the sale or sharing of their personal information. A tool called the Global Privacy Control helps consumers communicate their preferences to businesses easily. Moreover, the law includes a right to non-discrimination. This means that businesses cannot treat consumers unfairly for exercising their rights under the CCPA. They cannot deny services, charge different prices, or offer lower quality goods based on whether a consumer chooses to exercise their rights. In November 2020, California voters approved Proposition 24, which is known as the California Privacy Rights Act. This act amended the CCPA and introduced new rights, including the right to correct inaccurate personal information and the right to limit the use of sensitive personal information. These changes took effect on January 1, 2023. The CCPA applies to businesses that meet specific criteria. For example, it affects companies that generate over $25 million in gross annual revenue, or those that buy or sell personal information from more than 50,000 Californians. It also includes businesses that derive more than 50% of their revenue from selling personal information of California residents. This law impacts various sectors, especially in technology and data-driven industries. It requires companies to adopt strong data privacy practices and respond to consumer requests regarding their personal data. From a global tech trends perspective, the CCPA is significant because it sets a benchmark for data privacy regulations. It influences how tech companies manage consumer data and highlights the need for transparency and user control. As technology continues to advance, regulations like the CCPA will shape the future of personal data collection, usage, and protection.